everyone, and welcome to Ray Cray Farms and Cray Travels. When we're not farming or working, we're out and about chasing adventures, taking in views, and making every moment count.
Unlike goats, sheep are less common here in Zimbabwe. We started our sheep project a few years ago and we started with just 5 Dopa sheep and a Dopa ram. We chose to go with the Dopa breed because it is known for its hardiness, its ability to thrive in various climates. It's also very good for meat production, which was a big plus for us. It also has a very calm temperament, which makes it an easier sheep to manage and to engage with. Dopa sheep are a breed of domestic sheep that originated from South Africa. They developed in the 1930s and it's really a cross of the Dorset Hon and the black-haired Persian sheep. Along with the Dopa sheep, we also decided to add some commercial Mashona sheep to our herd. The Mashona breed is well adapted to our local conditions and environment, and crossing these sheep with the Dopa ram resulted in a really robust and low maintenance and productive flock. From there, we saw our herd grow as they multiplied, which really excited us. Of course, with the growing herd, we had to build structures to keep them safe and comfortable. We had to put up shelters to protect them, obviously, from the elements, and we had to build proper fences to make sure that our animals were secure. When you are sheep farming, it's important to have a good infrastructure in place to ensure the well-being of your animals. We wanted to start breeding, and a good ram was crucial for breeding. You want a ram that is healthy, strong, and that has good genetics that it can then pass on to the herd. Sheep are grazers and it is their natural way of feeding. They are well suited to converting grass into meat, milk, and wool. However, sheep are known to be selective grazers, meaning that they prefer certain types of plants over others. At our farm, we use rotational grazing systems, which means that we move our sheep around between pastures and paddocks to prevent overgrazing and to promote healthy pasture regrowth. While grazing provides most of their nutritional needs, sheep also require supplementary feed, especially during times when pasture quality is low. For example, during the winter season or during the dry season. We provide additional feed to make sure that they are getting all the nutrients that they need. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.